Is that a front, Phil? Is that what they call a front?
No. What's the date today? June 2nd, 3rd?
It's June 2nd.
June 2nd, 1990.
Who told you there was a tornado down south?
Heard it on the radio.
Heard it on the radio? It said Loogootee?
WKMD listening area. Tornado warning.
He goes, let's step inside in case Mike wants you to come out. What's that right over there? Huh? See that? It's kind of weird looking, isn't it? Huh? And be quiet.
Funnel cloud.
Is that a funnel cloud?
I believe it is.
I think it is too.
It's aloft. It's not down though. It's one starting. I really believe it was.
I think it was. I think that was too.
It's still there. It's still aloft. See it?
Yeah, I see it. Ooh. That was off the ground there, wasn't it? You think that came up in the ground?
I think it did. I believe that was on the ground. Uh-oh.
Huh?
Keep an eye on it.
I see.
It's coming. Yeah, it's coming down.
Wow. What's that mean?
That's not funny.
What should we do?
Well, just hang on.
Should I go call somebody?
You guys go. No.
What should I do?
Let's just watch it a minute.
Should I call somebody?
No, what's that going to do, Michelle?
I don't know. I mean,
I've never seen one like that before.
you're getting all this?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Ashley, no, it's... It's okay.
Michelle, go in the house. Just go in the house and get in the hallway. It's down. It's down.
Shut up the window already?
No, they're open, aren't they?
Not all of them.
It's down.
Should I open them or what?
No.
Can we go somewhere?
I don't know where we can go.
What should I do? Can I open the windows or not?
No.
Huh?
No. Michelle! 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 Get the kids. Let's go to Mike and Marcia's.
What?
Let's go to Mike and Marcia's.
Go north, David. Go north.
Looks like it's coming back up. No, it's still down.
Break up and go north. Get out of here. Live. Go north. Get out of here. Go north. Getting up in the air now.
I don't know. It's still pretty much down on the ground.
Yeah. Go on, check one in the air.
I know it.
Dude, look, it's building up. Building up over our house. Gotta bring his kids in.
I don't know, Wag.
What do you think? Isn't that amazing?
Oh, man.
What the hell, it keeps going north. Tell you what, it's only about a mile away now.
Down good now,
I was
guys.
gonna call you, and then I think on the phone today. It's big one now. There it goes. You see that?
Did it go down?
No, they went down. See it?
No.
They went down.
Oh, man, that thing's coming. Look at that. Look at the tower go. Did you see the tower? Come on, baby.
I know. Get in there. Get in there. It's going north, Bill.
Yeah, it's slightly. I don't know. I've never in my life.
What's that sound?
Did it go down?
Yes, look.
The whole house went?
The whole house, look.
It's pretty well north, Mike. Never. I was going to take this power line here in just a little bit.
Take it out.
Did it level that back there?
It did. It's gone. Instead of house or shed, hoping in a house. Let's put the bomb. Anything behind it? Stay down there, guys. We're all right. It's going north. Stay down there. Yeah, but stay down there. Get the kids down there. All right.
It's going up a loft now. It's up off the ground. See the loft there? Look at it. God, don't come back down. God, don't come back down.
Yeah.
Which barn did decay?
There's one way up
right
there.
past those trees. It's gone. It just dissipated in there.
Oh my God, I can't believe
Oh God, don't come down and change direction. Look at the pieces of barn up in here.
It took one little.
I've never seen it in my life.
I was shaking. I didn't know what.
Well, I tried to call you downstairs. I couldn't find the damn phone. I thought, if you guys were home, you come over.
Well, we were standing out there on the phone.
I thought
Yeah,
that.
I said, and then he came up and then came back down. Oh, well,
Keep you scared.
This is some award-winning footage here. I got the kids crying and
I tell you
screaming.
what, girl, we got that thing for a long time from here to here.